This is the setup for the level 1 transfuser at the York Street campus. First, you're going to take the heat exchanger with the tubing facing outward so that you can get into block 1. Slide it in. Push this tubing into the holding block and slide the clamp below the 2 so that you can hear a snap. Next, you're going to open the door by pushing down on the metal and pulling down on the door to fully expose the clamp. Take the tubing and you're going to place it into the clamp and then close the door by pushing up and snapping into the metal. Lastly, you're going to take the vent tubing and clamp it into the number 4 slot.
Once your lines are clamped, spike your bag and ensure that you take the air out of your priming bag. Note, when you're hanging either fluids or blood products on the hooks, there are different hooks on the machine. Hang the equipment based on what size you have of a bag to ensure a proper fit. Now that you have clamped all your lines and spiked your bags, prime through the tubing to ensure there's no air bubbles. Once your tubing has been primed, turn on the machine by pressing the green button.
We're going to start our massive transfusion. In this example, we have a bag of PRBCs and FFP. What is transfused through this is dictated by the provider at the bedside. Cryoprecipitate and platelets will never be put through the level 1. Now we're going to start with our PRBCs. We're going to close the door, unclamp our line, and pressurize our bag. While this is infusing, we're going to ensure that our FFP is ready to be infused. We'll close the door. Once this is completed, we'll clamp the line, unpressurize the bag, unclamp our FFP, and pressurize our bag. You'll be able to see the infusion of your fluids through the chamber